Cadillac Q's advanced voice recognition system provides hands-free control for many key functions. A short press of the push-to-talk button lets you access the voice recognition system to play media, find a destination if you have the available Q with navigation system, and add the navigation system, contact OnStar, or make hands-free calls. A long press of the push-to-talk button accesses Carplay and selected apps from your connected and compatible iPhone. Voice recognition works best when you remember to wait for the beep before saying your command, speak naturally without pauses, and raise your voice level so the system hears the command. The system uses natural voice recognition and understands natural everyday speech. For best results, start your request with a direct command. For example, use voice recognition to begin pairing a Bluetooth phone.
Command, please.
Pair phone.
Follow the instructions on the screen to pair a new Bluetooth device.
If you want to make a call, say call, followed by the phone number or contact name.
Call Angela Douglas.
Calling Angela Douglas at home.
Use voice recognition to tune to a radio station, play a song or artist.
Tune to FM 91.7.
91.7 FM.
Or navigate to a destination.
Find address 330 Hudson Street, New York City, New York.
330 Hudson Street, New York City, New York.
See your vehicle's Cadillac Q infotainment manual to learn more about the voice navigation system. When you connect your iPhone, Apple Carplay lets you select phone apps from the touchscreen. Use a long press on the push-to-talk button or press the home button in the lower left corner of the screen to ask Siri to complete a task. Apple CarPlay lets you use Siri like you would on the phone to access maps, read and send messages, make and return calls, and listen to music, all with your eyes on the road.